Hey guys, welcome to Way to Connect. I'm making chia pudding for breakfast tomorrow. It is very easy breakfast or snack idea as you can prepare it ahead of time. So the recipe is very simple and delicious, and it does not only taste good but it's also packed of protein, fiber and antioxidants. So let's get started. You only need 4 ingredients: small banana, peanut butter without salt and sugar, chia seeds, and almond milk. Make sure your peanut butter is only 1 ingredient or maybe 2 ingredients with salt if you're using salt. I'm using no salt peanut butter. And try to get a good quality of chia seeds. I use this Trader Joe's organic chia seeds. Next ingredient is milk. I'm using almond milk. This is homemade almond milk. And the reason it looks brown is because I added a couple dates when I was making almond milk. Let's take a bowl and I'm going to start by mashing 1 banana. Now let's take 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and add to the banana and mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Now mix everything well. Fork is not going to do the job. I need spoon. Now everything is well combined. Let's add our last ingredient, our homemade almond milk. I'm adding 1 cup of almond milk and we'll check the consistency once we mix everything together. By the way, if you don't have the almond milk, you can use any milk of your choice here. I like almond milk for the breakfast, but when I make chia pudding as a dessert, I use coconut milk and that tastes really creamy and tasty. It looks like it's liquidy, but it's good consistency because it's gonna thicken up. I'm adding roughly chopped dry roasted nuts and seeds for that extra crunch and extra protein to our chia seeds. It looks good, guys, and it's also started to thicken up. And now we're going to put it in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours or overnight if you're eating it for the breakfast next day. So let's put it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. It's been 4 hours and now it's the time. Let's check on our chia pudding. So it looks good and it's nice and thick. Looks creamy. This is the consistency I like. If you like more liquidy, you can add milk at this time. It looks good. I just like it like this. I don't like to add any more toppings to it, but you can add any more topping, extra topping, banana, nuts, any berries you like, or even drizzle some honey. It's already sweet, but if you like more sweet, you can drizzle some honey. Guys, this is easy, delicious, and healthy breakfast. Please do try it out. Let me know how it turned out for you. My name is Bhumi, and I thank you so much for watching.